But and the not after the should are two hints to predict the answers to fit the blank. The not makes the but works to give the same gesture given by the first clause before the but to fill the blank. So we can predict that the blank should be filled with the choice means the issue regarding aesthetic facts. We can judge people by their courage or mettle, and so choice F is to be eliminated. Similarly, we can judge people by their ambience or milieu, and so choice D is also eliminated. Besides, a person can be judged by his wrath or umbrage or pique in a particular juncture, and so choice A and C are also incorrect to fit the blank with respect to the fact of relevance. We should not judge people by their aesthetic exposure, rather we should judge people by their work and passion for the particular work. Panache and pulchritude as choice B and E both mean the beauty which support the prediction we have done. So the correct answers are choice B and choice C.